DJI just announced its most advanced folding drones ever, the Mavic 2 series. There are actually two drones in this series. One is the Mavic 2 Pro, which features a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch sensor. The other is the Mavic 2 Zoom, which has a 2x optical zoom for cool effects. The Mavic 2 Pro camera system is a beast. With that big 1-inch sensor, the Hasselblad camera can take high-quality 20-megapixel images with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. It captures 4K video on a larger canvas, giving the footage unique sharpness, larger depth of field, and the ability to render more detail. The Mavic 2 Pro camera also comes with a variable aperture that gives you more manual control over how much light goes into the camera. The difference between the old and new cameras is especially noticeable in low light shots and on extremely bright days. You can actually distinguish the details of the individual buildings in this dark cityscape. And you can clearly see the rich texture on the facade of this abandoned building, while the original Mavic Pro struggles with details. These differences are really stark when you compare shots from the Mavic 2 Pro camera with similar shots from the original Mavic Pro camera. The Mavic 2 Pro camera system also comes with some less obvious upgrades. That includes something called the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution. This software is designed to make colors look more realistic in a variety of environments without the need to change your settings. The upgrade in the Mavic 2 Zoom camera system is pretty simple. It zooms. With an easy roll of a wheel on the controller, you can zoom in and out on a subject, which happens in a surprisingly smooth fashion. The Vertigo-inspired dolly zoom feature is even slicker. Once you select this quick shot mode, you can draw a box around a subject and hit go. It's super easy, and you simply can't accomplish this effect on any other drone this size. Both Mavic 2 drones also come with a new hyperlapse mode that captures a time-lapse video while the drone is moving. In all of these autonomous flight modes, you also don't have to worry about the drone crashing into anything, because the new Mavic 2 comes with 10 sensors on all sides of the body, enabling omnidirectional obstacle sensing. You can see it at work in this shot using the active track flight mode. We set the Mavic 2 to follow this jogger autonomously, and the drone easily avoided light posts that were in its path. As cool as the autonomous flight modes are, piloting the Mavic 2 on your own is fun as hell. The new, more aerodynamic body feels more stable than the original Mavic Pro, which seems jerky in comparison. The new body design also helps boost the Mavic 2's flight time to 31 minutes, and a new propeller design makes the drone quieter in the air. All things considered, the Mavic 2 series represents a subtle but serious upgrade to DJI's first folding drone. The new camera on the Mavic 2 Pro is actually better than the one on the Phantom 4 Pro. Meanwhile, the Mavic 2 Zoom offers something that DJI's other consumer-grade drones just don't have. And remember, at the end of the day, if you buy one and wish you'd gotten the other, you can take it to a DJI service center and swap out the camera modules. This level of performance and versatility doesn't come cheap. The Mavic 2 Pro costs $1,450, and the Mavic 2 Zoom is $1,250. On the bright side, if you're a professional who wants cinematic quality, both models are cheaper than a helicopter.